When we talk about automation, we often think of machines and robots. But what's really changing today is how all of this is coming together. I'm here at FANUC, India's open house in Manesar, exploring how automation is being applied in the real world. What you see here are not just robots, but applications solving real industrial problems, from welding and assembly to handling and inspection using vision systems. At the same time, systems are becoming more connected and intelligent, with digital tools and predictive monitoring working in the background, and even concepts like physical AI, where machines can sense, adapt, and respond in the real time. From high-speed machining of metal parts to precision cutting to plastic component manufacturing, these machines form the core of modern production systems. And alongside technology, there's a strong focus on skills, how people are trained to work with CNC systems, robots, and automation, tools through simulators and hands-on learning. Because the real shift in automation is not just about machines, it's about how applications, intelligence, and people come together to shape the future of manufacturing.